the Maple Leaf Learning Playhouse. Hey guys, let's make a fun card for Mother's Day, okay? Yeah. Well, print it out and let's do some coloring, okay? Yeah. Color his nose and some hearts. And inside the ears. Great! And what color is a koala? That's right, it's gray. So I'm going to color all the rest of the pieces gray. There's his body, and his arms, and the baby koala too. Now, grab your scissors and let's cut it out, okay? Great! Now let's do some folding. Fold these pieces like this, okay? There's one. And there's two. Now we're gonna match them up, okay? It says glue on the left. So put some glue on the left side like this and stick the arm on like this, okay? And do the same with the other side. Right. Put on some glue and line up the boxes like this, okay? Great. Now for the pocket. Make sure that you just put glue around the edges, okay? Yeah, like this, so you can make a pocket. Don't put on too much glue. There's the pocket like that. Now all we need is the baby koala. And he goes inside like this. Great, that was easy. Well, I hope your mother likes the card. Hey, I know a fun song you can sing to your mother on Mother's Day. Let's sing, okay? Skidamarinky dinky dink, skidamarinky doo. I love you. Skidamarinky dinky dink, skidamarinky doo. I love you. I love you in the morning and in the afternoon. I love you in the evening underneath the moon. Oh, skidamarinky dinky dink, skidamarinky doo. I love you. Skidamarinky dinky dink, skidamarinky doo. I love you. Skidamarinky dinky dink, skidamarinky doo. I love you. I love you in the morning and in the afternoon. I love you in the evening underneath the moon. Oh, skidamarinky dinky dink, skidamarinky doo. I love you. Hello, Wendy.
Hello, Marty.
How are you today?
I'm bored.
Well, let's play.
Okay.
Do you like to watch TV?
No, I don't.
Do you like to swim?
No, I don't.
Do you like to play baseball?
No, I don't.
Do you like to jump rope?
No, I don't.
Do you like to fly a kite?
No, I don't.
Do you like to rollerblade?
No, I don't.
Do you like to draw a picture?
No, I don't.
Well, what do you like to do?
I like to kiss.
Kiss?
Yeah, kiss. Come here, Marty.
Help!
Wait!
Thanks for playing. Maple Leaf Learning. Hi guys, I hope you're happy today. If you subscribe, I'll be happy too. Yeah!